Welcome to the final week of 2023. This is a big one. I wanted to run through some of my favorite moments of 2023. Starting off big, we moved into this studio in February of 2023. We haven't even been in here a year, and I love it. I really like it here. Eli, what do you think? A lot of the troubles we had in other studios, we don't have here. We have more space. We have a boardroom. We have a dishwasher. That makes me super excited, everyone. I don't know if anyone else is excited. But mainly it's exciting because I feel like this set is really official and we can hopefully have other artists come in here and work with us and film here. That's what I'm most looking forward to in 2024. Next up, season 2 of Crime Scene Kitchen debuted in May of this year. Even though I filmed it in 2022, so I was happy that it finally went to air. I had so much fun filming that, and I'm looking forward to filming season 3 in 2024. That was a big one. I really liked this season. I loved the contestants. I love the way they put the professional trained bakers against the self-taught bakers. I loved everything about it, and I can't wait to do it again.
A short time ago, a mystery dish was made there. The only clues to that dish is the mess left behind from the cooking. Your job is to find the clues and recreate the mystery dish as best you can.
So based on all the clues in the Crime Scene Kitchen, we're making quiche. For some reason, we're like more nervous than we've ever been.
You think we are gonna be the only people with quiche?
Yes.
That is time! That is time! That is time! Step away from whatever you are making.
Oh, please, God, don't let it be us that did the worst.
Give me some love, and this might be our last time in this kitchen.
Oh yes! Okay, wait, so there's my Paris Baguette collaboration with Paris Baguette and Lavazza, and for that on the channel, I made a giant tennis bag cake. It was the biggest cake I've ever made on the channel. And then beyond that, I got to go down to Paris Baguette and I got to develop some donuts and cake slices with them that were then sold in their cafes. There was a cardboard cutout of me. I got to stand beside a cardboard cutout of myself. I mean, that's incredible. The second dessert, get ready for it, is the first serve lemon lime blackberry soft cream cake slice. Is it soft? First serve, did I say lemon lime blackberry? Let me do it again. Is the first serve lemon lime blackberry. You're doing this. First serve lemon lime blackberry soft cream cake slice. Otherwise known, hold on. Otherwise known as the FS as the FSLB XCCS. Oh no, I missed one. It's LL. We're rolling into fall, so in the fall, some big things happen. I went to New Jersey to film another show that has not come out yet, and I filmed it with the Cake Boss. So there's a Cake Boss and a Cake Queen in the same show, everybody. At the same time that I was filming that show, I had to leave for a weekend to go to LA because I am part of the first Hello Sunshine Collective. I am one of 15 amazing women, and there was a whole Shine Away event in LA. It was incredible. I'm still kind of in shock. I'm still kind of floating about that one. You know what I mean? You know what my favorite cake of the year was, honestly? Yeah. And now I want a piece of it. It was the giant Bounty bar, because I love Bounty. Okay. And I think it's my favorite chocolate bar cake I've ever made. Bountiful. I love cutting through chocolate though. Oh, I should have had a bigger knife. So, hello. What is your favorite chocolate bar? Do you want to see me cake it? And vote on each other's answers, and then I'll cake something. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, wait a minute. So wait, there's another cake that I really enjoyed, and it piggybacks off of our trip down to New Jersey to Paris Baguette, because remember when I made the giant popsicle on the channel, the giant rocket? So I asked you guys what other popsicle I should cake, and you all said the strawberry shortcake popsicle, which is great, but they don't sell it in Canada. So then when we were down in New Jersey, we bought a box at Target, and I was so pleasantly surprised. Loved that popsicle, and I was really happy to cake it. But you know what it made me think of? Every time I ask you guys what I should cake, and you overwhelmingly vote for one thing, it really works out. Farhan, what was your favorite moment?
Like, I didn't eat this one, but I know what it tastes like. Just for the looks of it.
Yeah.
It was the vegetable garden. I think it's really mind-blowing.
I forgot about that. The beet, the carrot, and the radish.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I want to know from you, what was your favorite cake of this year? Honestly, it's a blur to me. I cannot remember the majority of cakes I made this year. So I want to know, what was your favorite cake this year? And I want to know, what was your favorite moment of 2023? Leave a comment below. What are you looking forward to in 2024? And if there's any more popsicles I should travel for, please let me know where they're located and I will go get them.